Have you ever had Israeli couscous? It's a tiny type of pasta and it makes a great salad, especially mixed with zesty avocado-lime dressing and savory roasted vegetables. This recipe is packed with veggies and flavor, and it even has some white beans for protein. It's a perfect easy dinner or lunch, and it's great for meal prep too. Let's do it! Start by boiling your Israeli couscous until it's al dente, then drain and rinse with cold water. Now it's time to roast those veggies. Chop the carrots and broccoli, and then toss the carrots with a little bit of salt and olive oil. Mix that together, then spread them on 1/2 of a baking sheet and make sure that they're in a single layer. Bake those for 10 minutes, and while they're baking, toss the broccoli with a little bit more salt and the remaining olive oil. Flip the carrots and then add the broccoli to the other half of the baking pan and roast them for 10 to 15 more minutes while you make the zesty, creamy avocado-lime dressing. In your blender, combine avocado with lime juice, water, olive oil, cumin, and fresh garlic. Blend that up until it's completely smooth, stopping to scrape down the sides of the blender and season to taste with salt and pepper. Now use a little bit of that dressing to massage bite-sized pieces of kale until they're bright green. By now, everything should be done cooking, so add the roasted vegetables to the bowl with the kale, along with white beans and minced red onion. Also add the cooked Israeli couscous and the remaining dressing. Toss that all together to coat everything really well in that flavorful dressing. Lunch is served! I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this Israeli couscous salad. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!